Let's get started with stop motion. The first thing you will need is a smartphone or a tablet, and this will work equally well on both, so it doesn't make any difference if it's a phone or a tablet. And then you just need to download the Stop Motion Studio app from your App Store or Play Store. You can see this is it here. So it's a blue background, it's got like an icon of a video camera, Stop Motion Studio. Now when you go to search this in the App Store or Play Store, you'll probably see two versions. So one has the blue background, one has the purple background. The blue background one that we're using today is completely free. The one with the purple background, there is a small charge for it. It's just because it includes added extras. So if your child did really enjoy the stop motion and wanted to kind of develop their skills a wee bit, you might consider going for that one. But everything you want to do for the virtual parade will be available in this free version. So once you have it downloaded, just open the app and click New Movie. So you can see there's a cross. Just go to New Movie, and straight away it will open with your camera. So what stop motion is it's just a series of individual photographs all merged together to make a movie. And the secret behind it is to do small steps in between. So the first thing you need to do is get your toys and make sure that they're going to fit in the screen. So this is a small Lego car. If I go for this bigger tractor, I'm going to have to alter where the screen is sitting. So you might want to do all your small toys in one period and then do your bigger ones in another one, so you aren't moving your screen back and forward all the time, because then that affects how it looks like. So we're going to start off with this small car, and I'm just going to bring it slightly into the picture there so you can see the red starting to come in. And all you do is take a picture. Then we're going to move the car a little bit further. Take another picture. Again, move it a little bit further. And the smaller the movement, so if I only move it a little tiny bit, the smaller the movements, the more photographs you're going to need to take, but the smoother your animation will look. So I'm kind of doing big movements here now just because we don't want the video to take all day, but this is just to give you an idea. Now, because this is a parade and we're going to have lots of things in it, I'm just going to move that one, and then my next car is going to start coming in. So you can see there in the corner of the screen here, you can just see the shadow of it starting coming in. Take that. So I'm going to have to move two now. So I'm moving the car, moving the other car to bring it in. Move the car, move the other car. Again, I'm moving them quite a bit here. If you're doing this at home, you just want to move it a tiny bit and take your picture. So once again, the smaller the movements, the smoother your animation is going to look. So you can see now my right car's gone all together, and it's all about the Ecto one. So it's as simple as this. So you're just moving, taking a picture, move another wee bit, take a picture. Now we're going to bring in something else. So I'm going to move it a wee bit so it starts to come into the picture here. Move the car. Bring in your minifigure. Move the car. So you can do this with whatever toys you have. If you want to do it completely with Lego, you can. If you want to do a tractor parade, you can. If you want to bring in dinosaurs, you can do that. And while I move the car, I'm just going to make Mario turn around a wee bit. And I'm going to make him wave. So by making him wave, I'm just going to move his hand down ever so slightly. Now, let's just move his arm a wee bit. Oh. Take my arm away. Move it down another wee bit. Take my arm away. Move it down completely. And start to move it back up because we want him to wave. So again, the smaller the movements, the better. I'm being a wee bit blunt with it here today because make them all off again. So now that is the you can see here 38 photographs that I've taken. So let's see what it looks like. So we'll just press play. You can see the way this arm is moving up and down, and so that will just keep going and repeat. So as I said, you can include whatever toys you want in your parade. You can make it as long or as short as you want. So you can see there I have 38 pictures that I've taken, and altogether that is just, let's see now, 8 seconds. So that's 8 seconds of a parade, taking 38 photographs. And as I said, my movements were quite big, so if you can do really small tiny movements, you could have maybe 100 photographs to get something similar, but your transitions will be much smoother. So now once you have your movie created, just go back out. Your movie will be here, and we want to select it. So select, touch the movie, and then we want to share it. So, oh sorry, just realized I'm out of focus there. So just go through that again. So select up here, and this is the exact same on an iPad. Touch the one you want to share, and then you have your little share icon here. Now if you're using an Apple device, this will look like a rectangle with a little arrow pointing up to upload. But I want to share, and you can see there the menu it's given. So what we want to do is export movie, and you can save it as. So if we go to save as, we just go for HD quality, and so that's turning it into a movie, and that'll save it in your photos. So you can give it a name. And so that will be saved now in my photographs. Or what you can do as well is you can select, share, and in Android devices it's giving you an option straight to share, so you could use your Gmail and send it directly to us like that. Or if you want to share it with somebody else, you can search all those options. Again, if you're using this in Apple, the best thing to do is to download it as a movie. It'll save your photographs, and then send it to us as movie file, or you can WhatsApp to us as well if you have WhatsApp on your device. So that is it, a very whistle-stop tour of Stop Motion Studio. We can't wait to see all of your parades, and we look forward to putting them all together, so we'll have a massive virtual parade on St. Patrick's Day. Okay, thank you.